Thank you so much for joining in, ladies and gentlemen. This is the series of how you take yourself from being a shy person to being a confident person. And today we are going to be discussing about a very key and I would say important element which takes a lot of guts. Right? So this key element is called being dare. Okay, so you have to dare, you have to take the chances and the opportunities that come ahead, no matter how risky or how problematic you think it is. You know, there's a famous saying that when there are opportunities which is bigger than you, which scares you, okay, comes your way, you should take it and then figure out how to, make the most of it or how to solve the problem. Because all these kind of opportunities of all the things that are coming up in your way is not going to come up every single day. And once you miss this opportunity, you have no idea that when it's going to come back again. Let's say you take the opportunity which is so difficult, which seems that it's not going to be your cup of tea, and you take it and you struggle, you strive, you work hard to improve, to go up the ladder, and you realize that at the end that you've learned so much. You may not deliver the amazing and I would say skyrocketing results, but at the same time you will see that you have progressed so much. If you would have not taken this opportunity, you would have been in a position that would have taken you nowhere, ladies and gentlemen. And that is the exact reason why you need to dare. Also, do understand that when you stand up for something, don't expect people to always support you. Come on, they are not as confident as you. They don't have as high self-esteem as you. Maybe they'll come to you, maybe they'll support you only when you already have taken a stand and you have proven some results. Nobody gives a chance, an opportunity for a newbie in the industry. And that is the exact reason why that person, that newbie, he or she has to prove with a lot of hard work, dedicated approach and new technologies, new ways. Only then the market trusts that person. Same things happen in our own life, isn't it? Every new idea, every new approach, a new step in your own personal and professional life will be faced with problematic situations, questions across yourself. That should not hinder you from going ahead. Because these people who are questioning you today are going to appreciate you tomorrow and then ask you day after tomorrow that how you did that. How amazing that would be. If you're not going through these problematic situations, if you are not have that dare enough, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be really difficult for you to give a positive motivational story after a few years. If you're all set and ready to do more, to achieve more, then it's time for you to be confident enough to take responsibilities and problems ahead. We all are going through problems, difficulties and situations. How many of us has the dare to take it? Very few, isn't it? 1%? Maybe even less than that. But remember this one thing, that these less percentage of people are going to set examples for the society. And these people are the future leaders. We're going to transform the other followers as their leaders. And then that's how the ripple effect works, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure that this time, if you face any kind of adversity, problem, situation and big opportunity which you're not sure that you will make the most of it, take the plunge and do it. You learn from it. Right? So thank you so much for joining in for this video. I'm sure that this kind of video is something that's going to be really helpful for you and improve you to build your self-confidence and your self-esteem. And if that's the case, follow me and subscribe me. I'm going to be presenting so many more videos.